Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech-focused content. Nexicom delivers reliable, high-speed internet services, catering to both residential and business customers. We understand the critical role internet connectivity plays in modern life, from streaming entertainment and online gaming to remote work and managing a business. That's why we're committed to providing a robust and consistent online experience. Our network is built on a fiber optic infrastructure, ensuring rapid data transfer speeds and minimizing latency. This cutting-edge technology translates into smoother streaming, lag-free gaming, and seamless video conferencing. Whether you're downloading large files, collaborating with colleagues online, or simply browsing the web, our fiber network provides the bandwidth you need to stay connected. Nexicom offers a variety of internet packages designed to meet diverse needs and budgets. We provide transparent pricing and flexible options, so you can choose the plan that best fits your usage patterns. Our customer support team is readily available to assist with any questions you might have and to help you select the perfect internet solution for your home or business. We also understand that internet connectivity is more than just speed. It's about reliability. That's why we invest heavily in network maintenance and monitoring to ensure consistent uptime and minimize service interruptions. We're committed to providing a dependable internet connection you can count on day in and day out. Beyond providing high-speed internet, Nexicom is deeply involved in the communities we serve. We believe in giving back and supporting local initiatives. Choosing Nexicom means choosing a company that cares about its customers and the communities they live in. So, if you're searching for a dependable, high-speed internet provider with a commitment to customer satisfaction and community involvement, visit nexicom.net/internet to explore our service options and find the perfect plan for your needs. Connect with Nexicom today and experience the difference a truly dedicated internet service provider can make.